Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to talk about something that's important to me as a business owner, the challenges of managing payroll. Now, it's not the financial aspect that's overwhelming, it's the time and effort involved. For someone juggling multiple jobs, spending hours every month carefully going through payroll figures is less than ideal. So imagine this. As part of my monthly routine, I had an active morning routine and then spent hours doing hard math problems, which I found very tiring. And so after dealing with the headache of payroll every month, my partner and I decided to try out some payroll tools to make our lives easier. So I checked out a few and even tested them out because, well, reviewing stuff is part of what I do. And so today, I'm going to talk about Gusto, the one we like the best. I'll go over what Gusto offers and tell you about the costs, and also, just to be clear, this isn't a paid ad or anything. I'm just sharing my real experience, both the good and the bad, after using them for about 6 months now. And my aim is that by the end of this video, you'll get a good idea if Gusto might work for you too. In my opinion, I think Gusto is great for smaller or medium businesses, not so much for big companies or ones with lots of individual contractors to pay. So if you're running a bigger business, you might need something more advanced like ADP. But if at any point you're interested in trying out Gusto, there's a special discount link that I left down in the description. It's a deal you won't get if you go directly to their site, so make sure to check it out. Gusto is a company that started in 2012 and is now ranked second in the US for human resource services, according to SimilarWeb. They offer more than just payroll processing. For example, they can also handle tasks like managing health insurance deductions, employee benefits, and retirement fund contributions. Gusto also takes care of important tax documents like W-2s and 1099s for your employees. And signing up for Gusto is super easy. All you need to do is provide your personal and company's information, choose a plan, make a payment, and then you can start using their services right away. And if you're new to payroll management, it's a good idea to set up Gusto early in the month so you have time to learn how to use it before payday comes around. Now, I'm also going to talk about Gusto's different plans and their costs. So they have 3 plans to choose from. The first one's called the Simple Plan, and it's about $40 a month for the plan itself, plus an extra $6 per employee, and you do payroll for each month. So now with this plan, you get all the payroll stuff you need, like W-2s and 1099s, and each employee has their own profile. Now, you can also use the basic tools to hire and train new employees, and there's a helpful employee benefits calculator for things like getting health insurance or extra hours. Now, they've also got a deal with a health insurance provider, which can save you some money. Plus, you can get regular reports on your employees, like their hours and sick days. Oh, and they can also work with other tools you might use, so like the time tracking or accounting software to make your life so much easier. Now, the next one that they have is the Plus plan, which costs around $80 a month plus $12 for each employee. It has all the same things that you're getting with a Simple plan, plus some extras. Now, you also get next day direct deposit, a calculator for paid off time, a time tracker that employees can use right through Gusto, a project management tool, performance reviews, and ways to gather feedback from your workers. They also offer priority support and HR resources, but that's an extra $8 per employee per month. And just a heads up, the time tracking features are available on the Plus plan at $80 a month, plus $12 per person, and the Premium plan, which is priced according to the size of the organization. Now, we've also got the Premium plan, which doesn't have a set price listed. You've got to give them a call, and they'll quote you a price based on your company's size and earnings. This plan also gives you the time tracker, HR resources, and an R&D tax rebate if your company does research and development, all without extra monthly charges. And by the way, if you want to save some extra money, you can use the link I've left in the description down below for a discount you won't find on their website. Okay, now let's get into a few things I think could be improved. So, as someone who has Gusto for a while now, I'd like to point out a few areas where there's room for improvement. So first off, their user interface, or UI, could use some improvement. It can be a little annoying when the app's button feels a little weird and sluggish. If Gusto were to ask for my opinion, I'd recommend giving their website a fresh look. I've also noticed that the service isn't quite as user-friendly on a mobile phone, so it's definitely better suited for use on a computer. Lastly, it did take me a bit of time to get the hang of their payroll tool. However, once I got the hang of it, I realized how useful it could be and picked it up pretty quickly. Now, of course, I also want to talk about what I liked about Gusto and why I might recommend it if it fits your needs. So now, when it comes to recommending Gusto, it really depends on your specific needs and what you're looking for. So if you're, let's just say, running a large business or have a large number of individual contractors or subcontractors to manage each month, you might want to look into a platform like ADP or something that's made for bigger businesses. However, if you're a small to medium-sized business or only work with a few contractors each month in addition to your regular team, I would definitely recommend Gusto. It's user-friendly, and if you're handling payrolls on your own, checking them out could save you from the headaches I used to experience and give you back some valuable time. Personally, I can say that Gusto had made a huge difference for me because I no longer feel the stress before I get paid. So that's it for my review of Gusto. I hope it helps you understand what Gusto does and if it's the right choice for you. And if you're new to doing payroll or just don't want to deal with it, I think Gusto is a great choice. They make things so much easier. And again, if you want to save some extra money, you can use the link I've left in the description down below for a discount you won't find directly on their website. Now, if you liked the video or found it useful, make sure to like and subscribe to see more of it. And feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and I will do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.